So I had a guy ask me the other day about DJing and whether or not it was a good idea to sit while they DJ'd or not. That's a tough one. I know what I think. I think we should never sit when the client sees us. If nothing else, because you don't want to be seen as the DJ who's just sitting behind his stuff pushing buttons. You don't, do you? I mean, you hate it when people say all you ever do is push buttons. Your job is so easy, a monkey can do it. We can just push buttons and we can do it. Well, that's why they hire, anybody. That's why they get their kid to do it, or get an iPod and they put a playlist and then they just go with a speaker and they say that's just as good as DJing. It isn't. You know it isn't. But if they go to a gig and they see you sitting and just in front of your laptop doing this and pushing and playing and doing nothing but that, it looks like you're being lazy. I don't know that you are, but it is about perception, right? We've talked about this on the show. What they think of you is what the reality is. Again, thanks for being a part of Creative License. I'm Bill Herman. My sponsors are Electro Voice, as always, and the Entertainment Experience. You can go to entertainment-experience.com or reach out to me personally, because it's my workshop. So, but it goes back and forth, hey, I get a lot done. Hey, but people party, and the dance is great, and it doesn't matter if I'm sitting or not. My back hurts, I can't sit down. I can't stand all night. My feet hurt, my legs hurt. I need to be able to sit down. I should be able to sit down. I mean, everybody can sit down, right? Yes. All of that's correct. But we get paid for how we look, right? Our perception is the reality that the client sees. And what they see you do is almost as, well, I think it's more important than what you're actually doing. Put that into your brain right there. How they see you is probably more important than what you're actually doing. I've seen really great looking DJs that their equipment is awesome looking and everything, and nobody dances, but these people get recommended. Why is that? But I've also seen really awesome DJs that get people to dance, and the parties are amazing, but they sit behind their gear and they don't speak and they don't look up from their screen and they don't take requests. I get that, but your clients don't like it. At least the ones that are paying you. And the ones that are sitting across from me on a regular basis, when they say, when I say, why are we talking? Why are you talking to me? Why aren't you talking to other DJs? They almost always say, I don't want to find that guy. All he does is sits at his gear and does nothing. I see those guys DJ all the time. I can't believe they get paid. So if people are saying that, then wouldn't you make the choice of not sitting? Or at least if you got to sit down, go backstage, go where somebody can't see you, sit and rest and do what you got to do. But don't do it in front of the client. They see it badly. I don't think it looks very good either. I would never want my waiter to bring me my steak and then sit down and go, man, am I tired? I'm just going to take a minute. I'm going to sit over here. You just go ahead and eat. How would that look? What do you think of this? I know that some people like to complain about this one. That's fine. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you do. It doesn't really matter. If it's working for you, it's working for you. But this is my opinion. Don't sit. Stand. Don't let them see you sit. This is Creative License. I'm Bill Herman. I'll see you next week.